Hello friends, welcome to our channel. For today's video we will be doing a turmeric and honey mixture. It is called an elixir for life. So let's find out what it is about. For this remedy you will need half a cup of honey, 3 tablespoons of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of ginger powder and half a teaspoon of cloves. Take a mixing bowl and add the half cup of honey. Add about 3 tablespoons of turmeric to the mixing bowl. Then add the ginger powdered followed by the cloves. Mix the content thoroughly and store it in a jar. This can be given to kids and adults during the first sign of the cold or a cough. Turmeric has antibacterial, antiviral properties and can be used to keep away many diseases. Honey and turmeric together work wonders for your body. So this is it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed it and will try it out. Currently in my country it is winter, so a lot of people are falling sick, and this drink has been giving us the power and courage to overcome the sickness. So if you try it out, please comment down below. Also, if you have some other remedies that you want to share, do comment down below. And do not forget to give us a big thumbs up if you like the video. And do not forget also to click on the subscribe button as well as the notification bell if you want to see some more amazing videos. Till next, take care.